Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and model so you know which menu labels apply. Once ready, charge to at least 20% and back up important data. Now go straight to Settings, choose System, then Gestures. That's where the power button behavior is defined on most phones. You're taking the first actionable step. Find the toggle labeled for the power button or press and hold to launch Assistant so you can change it. Once in Gestures, locate the press and hold power button option or the Assist app entry. Different skins name it slightly differently. Turn that toggle off to stop launching Google Assistant with the power key, or open default apps and set Assist app to none or a different helper. If you don't see the option, make sure to check Settings app's default apps Assist and voice input. Device manufacturers sometimes move or relabel the control, so explore those menus next. You finish by rebooting the phone and testing the power button. The Assistant should no longer appear. If Assistant still opens, clear app defaults for Google or the Assistant app under Apps Google open by default, then retest. Make sure your system is updated. If the behavior persists, reset system settings, not a full factory wipe, to restore default menus. If nothing fixes it, contacting the device maker for a firmware-specific fix is the next step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.